Have you ever wondered what's behind the food on your plate? While convenience may seem appealing, it often comes at a cost to animals, the environment, and your health. But what if there's a better way? A way to eat healthier, live sustainably, and feel your best every day. Every year, over 70 billion land animals are slaughtered to fuel our demand for cheap processed food. Cramped cages, no sunlight, endless suffering. It's the hidden reality of factory farming. But this isn't just about animals. The environmental toll is staggering. Deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, and polluted waterways. The cost of convenience extends far beyond the checkout line. Modern diets are dominated by ultra-processed foods loaded with sugars and harmful fats. The result? A global health crisis. Over 40% of adults worldwide are overweight or obese, and diseases like diabetes are on the rise. But here's the truth. Your food choices can either harm or heal you, and healing starts by rethinking what's on your plate. Enter the ketogenic lifestyle, a way of eating that fuels your body with whole, unprocessed foods while aligning with ethical and sustainable values. By choosing keto, you focus on high-quality proteins, healthy fats, and low-carb vegetables, supporting ethical farming practices while nourishing your body. It's about reclaiming your health and making a positive impact on the planet. The power to transform your health and the planet is in your hands. Start your keto journey today and discover how eating well can feel good and do good. Subscribe to our channel for more keto recipes, tips, and life-changing insights. Together, we can build a healthier, more sustainable future, one plate at a time.